Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best sun visor extenders on Amazon. Whether you're hitting the road early in the morning or as the sun starts to set, visibility can be a challenge. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Glare Guard Polarized Car Visor Extender. The Glare Guard Polarized Car Visor Extender is almost effortless to use. It's adjustable, feature-filled, and installs so easily you can remove it when it's not needed. This sunshade visor extender connects to existing visors with aluminum clamps, screws, and Velcro, and you can adjust the glass pane in front of your eyes to achieve just the right sun-blocking angle. It's covered in a high-quality polarized acrylic film to limit brightness. It can also adjust light waves as they reflect off the windshield, reducing harmful sun glare before it hits your eyes. This design makes it capable of withstanding up to 99.9% of harmful UV and UVB rays. Another benefit of this sun visor extender is its weight. It's just 12 ounces. What we like about it: polarized coating reduces glare and blocks UV and UVB rays. Lightweight and easy to move or remove. Durable installation, yet it's easy to attach to existing visors. What we don't like about it: heat can cause screws to loosen over time. May not block all bright light. May not work in some vehicles, like RVs. Number 2. TFY Car Visor Sunshade Extender. The TFY Car Visor Sunshade Extender is a great option if you want to increase your existing visor's coverage without making a significant investment. This affordable extender slips right into place and offers sun-blocking protection from the sides and the bottom of your existing visor. It's made from opaque polyurethane and attaches to your existing visor with elastic bands. What we like about it: no tools required for installation. Extend your visor both lengthwise and widthwise. Protects against UV rays and potential sun woes. What we don't like about it: may not be very durable over the long term. Corners can chip with wear and tear. Slides can be tricky to adjust while you're behind the wheel. Number 3. Trillium Worldwide Glare Visor Sun Shield. If you don't want to struggle when you're trying to avoid glare, reflections, and bright sunlight, you've got to consider the Trillium Worldwide Glare Visor Sun Shield. This extender is designed to flip down when you need it, shielding your eyes while keeping the visibility clear. It flips up when you don't need it. And that makes it easy to work with while you're driving. What we like about it: stores slim and out of sight without limiting your OEM visor. Can be used in multiple positions without ruining visibility. Holds onto visors securely. What we don't like about it: sure grip clips can leave behind marks or even damage your visor. If you're too harsh on the visor, its joints can break over time. Number 4. Joytuda's Car Sun Visor Sunshade Extender. Joytuda's Car Sun Visor Sunshade Extender is a unique and versatile product designed to enhance your driving experience. It is a perfect solution to protect you from the glare of the sun and harmful UV rays, especially during the scorching summer days. This Car Sun Visor Sunshade Extender is designed to protect you from the glare of the sun, making it easier for you to see the road ahead. This feature enhances your driving experience by reducing eye strain and preventing accidents caused by glare. The Joytuda's Car Sun Visor Sunshade Extender is easy to install and does not require any tools or complicated instructions. Simply attach it to your existing sun visor and adjust it to your desired position. This feature makes it convenient for those who are always on the go. What we like about it: anti-glare protection. UV rays blocker. Easy to install. What we don't like about it: limited coverage. Reduced visibility. Number 5. Womble Anti-Glare Anti-Dazzle Vehicle Visor. This gives both you and your passenger protection from the sun's glare with the Womble Anti-Glare Anti-Dazzle Vehicle Visor Sunshade, which includes 2 extenders for one price. Each visor comes with 2 straps and an oval-shaped visor. What we like about it: installation is almost effortless. Offers good value with extenders for both the driver and passenger. Simple to use while you're on the road. What we don't like about it: straps are wide and can prevent you from using the visor mirrors. Storage solution for the visor is a bit awkward when you don't need to use it. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.